Our integrated approach to solving a host of infrastructure challenges has helped us become the partner of choice for organizations big and small. Our multidisciplinary team has developed industry-specific expertise across numerous markets. Our work has not only earned us the trust of our clients, but also a spot among the top design firms on several of Engineering News Record market sector lists. We're able to support our clients' project at every stage of their facility's lifecycle, from project planning, including conceptual design, risk analysis, and permitting, all the way through the detailed design stages, including project management, 3D design, engineering, and support during construction. If you'd like to learn how we can support your organization's plan for new or existing facilities, stop by our website or give us a call. We'd love to help create a roadmap to success for all your projects.